Hey everyone, Cody here, and this is video number 8 in the How to Build a Builderall website video tutorial series. And in this video, we're going to talk about how to create website graphics for your Builderall website using a free tool called Canva. So we go up to the very top, and canva.com, Canva. Okay, if you haven't created an account yet, you just go up here and create an account. Canva is free. However, if you want to have all the benefits as far as additional templates and images and videos, it's a really good deal. I believe it's $12.95 a month US for the Pro plan. So first of all, we want to start by creating our graphic for our website. What I always like to do is I have to go to custom size, and we're going to do 300 by 300. It's going to be a square image. Create design. All right. And over here on the left side, we have our templates. Just go to templates. We have elements, and these are elements we can add. We can do shapes, graphics, images, videos, and even audio. Over on the down below, we have uploads, and we can upload our own images to customize our graphics. This is how you access the text area. You can add text by dragging the text in. Of course, you can double click and you can type new text out. Okay. Let's go ahead and delete that. Down below that is the background settings. And this, of course, it creates the background you want. You can choose an image or you can choose a color. So we can go red or purple. Choose different images, maybe some textures. So that's all pretty good for you. So do that. These are the advanced settings, and we'll talk about more of the advanced settings later. For now, I want to find a template for our dog clinic website. So we can go scroll down and look at something that we may like. So I think I'm going to choose this one over here. It is free, as you can see right here. You can click that, and it automatically sizes it correctly for you. Now, these images wouldn't fit too well in an animal clinic website, so I'm going to delete by clicking and hitting backspace or delete. And I'm going to delete this one as well. And what I want to do is I want to upload my own images. And if you watched the previous video, I went to Pixabay and we were able to pick free, royalty-free images for our website. If you missed that video, go ahead and search for that. So under Uploads, we click Uploads, Upload Media, and we want to click Device. And let's go ahead and upload both of these at the same time by clicking both of them and clicking Open. As you can see, they both upload to the Canva servers. And let's go ahead and place this one right here. I'm going to move this over in the corner. Here we go. And I'm going to resize this to fit. There we go. To click off and choose this one, I have to go out a little bit more past. And let's go out here. There we go. And let's go ahead and click this. And we want to make it a little bigger. We want to move it. There we go. And move this, and move the image more inside. Okay. And you can see when you move it inside, if you see the pink dotted lines, and if it's on all four, it means it's snapped. So click Done. There we go. And let's go ahead and click this picture. We're going to just move this over We have a little more room. Click Done. There we go. Let's go ahead and change the text here to something a little more, has what's into a veterinary clinic. So let's see, treat your dog to a relaxing experience. We're going to double click and we're going to, let's go ahead and move this bounding box over. There we go. And let's go ahead and delete this text right here. Okay. And let's see. The bounding box. We're also going to place a box underneath it. Nope, that's the wrong one. Delete that. I'm going to change this to black. So you go up here to the color box, click, and under default colors, black shows up. And what we're going to do is we're going to place this underneath the text, like so. Let's go ahead and move that over here. It can be kind of touchy sometimes. Move that box over. I'm going to resize it. There we go. And if you need a more precise way of moving items, you can click on the item, and you can use the arrow keys to move over. Okay, and then when I take that box, let's see, this. So I'm going to take the text and just move it over a little bit. Click the box. And I want to change the transparency. So go up here to these, the dotted or the checkerboard. I'm going to change this to down a little bit. Let's do about 50. 49 is fine. Click back on my text. And there we go. So now we have like a Polaroid picture, and then we have a cat. We have the dog picture, and then we have our text. Now this is just basic, of course, and you probably want to put a lot more time into your images. But for now, we're just going to download this. So we go up here at the top. Before that, let's save this. Let's go ahead and change the name. So you go to Pet Graphic. And then I'm going to click the Save just in case. At the top, you'll see all changes saved. That means you're good to go. And let's go ahead and, let's see. Not too happy with this area right here. Let's go ahead and move this. Expand this down. Oops. So you can see it. We'll move this all the way up. And I'm going to push this to the back. So under position, you can move to front or back. And now that dark square is pushed to the very back. So now we can take our text and move it. There we go. Looks a little bit better. Let's go ahead and save again manually. It does auto-save, but I always like to make sure I manually save just in case. So we're going to go down the download. And usually if you want to keep it at a PNG, if you want a high quality graphics, usually if I have text on the graphics, I usually keep it to PNG. We can also do a JPEG as well for a smaller size for a website. So go down here and click download. And it'll show us where we want to put it. So let's click save. You can click this out right here. It's just an advertisement. Okay. And now we have our custom graphic. And in the next video, we're going to be placing the graphic on our website. So you want to definitely stay tuned for that. Thanks again for watching the video. Again, this was a short one. And if you're interested in a $1 30-day trial of Builderall, I have my affiliate link in the description. You can go ahead and take up that offer. And if you have any questions or comments, or if you want a video topic that you want me to cover, go ahead and place your comment down in the comment section down below. Thank you very much for taking time to watch this video. I look forward to seeing you in the next one. Take care and have a great day.